Okay.
Martha, are you there?
Sorry, I apologize. I don't know what happened.
You got so nervous you hung up on us.
No, actually, it was. I was waiting to talk to you.
What can we do for you?
on family law.
All right, we know family law.
I know families.
Okay.
We might know
my
family.
question is: this situation is child custody, and it's my situation.
Okay, so you're divorced?
I'm going through a divorce. My ex-husband wants our son and has dragged the situation to have full custody of our son. Meanwhile, I don't have the financial means, and now I have to pay $70,000.
Well, wait a second. Have you been divorced a long time?
It's been 2 years that he's been battling me for custody.
Okay. Does he have money?
Well, he did, but he learned, I don't know how he got away with it. He had a business. He's in construction.
Okay.
He's a contractor, and somehow he let that business go down, apparently, and now he has no business.
It's funny how that happens during divorces.
The
business goes down. It was doing great until there's a divorce, and all of a sudden
can't
there's no
work,
business.
can't get a job,
Right.
business is
Exactly.
I want to be a priest, da-da-da-da. I can
no child support, because he can't find a job.
Two separate situations. In some situations, the court can order that if there's some property or money or stocks or bonds, etc., that they be ordered to pay your attorney's fees. Who's paying his attorney's fees?
He took it out of his IRA.
Okay. All right. Well, you should go in to court and ask your attorney to get an order that he also pays out of this money, which was probably yours to start with, your quote, attorney's fees. But putting that aside, in California, in most situations, it's joint custody, unless you've got some things in your background, which, like you're in jail or you've been had problems with neglect of the children, or if social services are after you. But if it's just a normal situation, it'll end up joint custody.
Correct, and I understand that, but he has tried to, he has lied and brought in child services in and has.
Okay, here's what I would do.
It's really bad. I need to know if there is anything else I can do, because I'm in a hole, and yet I don't know how to pay this debt off.
Okay, here's what you need to do. The State Bar of California has a pretty good website, and they've got all the free types of services on the State Bar of California website. So are you computer savvy?
Yes.
Okay. Get on the computer, State Bar of California, and you'll see the various things along there, and click in the one for referral, free services. There's a zillion legal aids around, and get yourself there ASAP, okay?
Martha, the other thing that you have is in the LA County Bar Association, they have a referral as well, a referral system. So you can go to the State Bar website, as Solomon said, you can go to the LA County Bar website and do the same thing. There's a lot of legal aid groups that provide services either pro bono, which is free, or for a lower cost. So you can get some help. You're not out there by yourself. Take a look at that and see what you can get, and let us know what happens.
And if that doesn't work, hit us at legalhelplive@gmail.com. Put the fax again in there, and we'll try and refer you out to some agency if you haven't already tried it. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, good luck, and we hope things work out. 1-800-405-4222. Let's take Norma.
Norma, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Hi, what can we do for you today?
I had my daughter take my 2001 Ford to the mechanic shop to check the red light. One red light was on it, and he supposedly worked on it that day, charged her $75, and gave her the call back, and all 3 lights was on, and he told her to be careful how she drive it because it might catch on fire. Well, I was ill. I couldn't go the next day, but the next day I went, and I asked him about it, and he says, I can't help you. So I called the LAPD, and they spoke to him, and he says, I'm willing to give her the $75 back, but I didn't want the $75 back because he messed up my car. And so the police, the mechanic says, oh, wait, just before she takes it, we had it towed there and towed away from there back to our house. And he says, no, let me go get some pliers and fix this wire. We said, no, don't touch it. The police said, don't touch it. And they look under the hood, and he says, that one of the police, when he gave me his card and the badge on both of them, and he says, this is about $2,000 or $3,000 worth of damage. I never had any problem with the car since I bought it. Except we put oil in it, you know, have it lube and tires. And now what am I to do now? I'm on a fixed income, and my car, I can't have someone drive it for me.
Norma?
Yes.
Where's the mechanic located?
He's at 60th and Weston.
Okay, and it's a regular mechanic shop?
Yes.
Okay, small claims court seems like the perfect situation for you. You need to get someone to look at the car and determine what's wrong with it.
I did.
Okay.
My daughter had it towed to a diagnostic center.
Okay.
And he told her everything that he did on there. He even took a part off my car.
Okay.
It didn't need to be taken off.
You need a letter written by the person indicating what was wrong with the car.
He gave it to me.
And how much it costs to repair it. You need to file a small claims court action. It'll get set for hearing probably within 30 to 45 days. You show up. You show your documents to the judge. You tell the judge what happened. You have your daughter testify. And those judgments, if you haven't filed one for more than one during the last year, can be up to $7,500.
No. Oh, thank you. But no, I've never filed one before.
Okay, so I would do small claims court. You can have your daughter help you with the computer. You go on to LA Superior Court. It says small claims court. You click on there. Tells you everything you have to do. It's got copies of the forms and the whole procedures written out to you, and it's very, very inexpensive. And if you win, you will get your cost and everything back. Okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Good luck to you.
It.
Good luck to you, Norma.
Thank you.
All right. And thanks for calling into Legal Help Live. We're going to go to a break right now. When we come back, we'll take more of your calls. Remember, the phone number is 800-405-4222. Whether you've got a problem with an auto mechanic, whether you've got a problem with child custody, if you've got an auto accident, if you've got a wrongful termination, any of those legal questions.
Discrimination on the job.
Discrimination on the job, sexual orientation discrimination on the job, whatever it might happen to be.
Not getting paid for your breaks, not getting your breaks, not getting your lunch, not getting time and a half when you work. Those are great things to call us about because there are lots of things going on in the law. And so if you're a employee who's getting X'd over by your employer and you want to talk about it, give us a call. We might show you some places to go.
Or if you're an employer and you feel differently about the same situation, you give us a call. We're going to hear both sides.
And we may show you some X ways to go.
There you go. So remember, 800-405-4222. Keep your channel in the same spot. Dial your phone. We'll be here when we get back.